Nice one. Sorry, I've got my headphones out. Shout.
All the way through there?
Yeah.
Over to good. Sounds really good. That's an impressive 125. Whoa! Bit too hot, yeah. Is there no oil temperature gauge or anything on that? Whoa. Not 40 years old then. Oh, we'll make a nice noise in the tunnel. Stop, you're leaking shit everywhere. Radiator fluid or oil. Something when you hit the... Well, I'll stay behind you too.
Aye, if you notice it, big move when we get in there, it'll just go in. So nice.
Well, the engines of everybody's bikes are burning.
Really?
Just going that slow.
Really?
And revving for everybody.
Right, okay, I didn't realise that was a thing. There you go.
Absolutely.
It's an education for
yeah,
me.
Avoid that pothole. Oh my god, my spine. Oh, how's your left hand? All that clutch control, my goodness, mine is... Okay, brilliant. That is like something out of Wacky Races there. Yeah, he is really allowed to skip all the queue. Yeah, free pass.
Small bike syndrome.
Yeah, yeah, he's bullying his way through everyone. Ooh, hill climb.